Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another isolation look. My hair is in desperate need of being washed, so I'm going to just sort of put a wave in it to hide the fact that it's really not great. The wave that I am going to be creating today, a really sort of deep wave to hide the fact that it desperately needs washed. And to kind of sort of get that look where you look like you've made an effort but really you're just trying to disguise that your hair is a bit minging. So today I'm going to be using these Babyliss Pro styling crimpers, and yeah, you can purchase these from Salon Services or Capital, I'm sure. I think Very might even sell them as well. They were $29.99, and yeah, this is what I'm going to do with my hair today. I am obviously wearing my Ladylux tape and extensions, which are in here. So yeah, I'm not quite due a maintenance yet, but I am just going to be, you know, hiding the fact that they're not so clean. And yeah, I love them. They're perfect for days when your hair desperately needs washed, but you kind of want to look like you've made a little bit of effort. So yeah, let's get started. So the items you're going to need for this hair tutorial, you are going to need a hairbrush. I always use this wet brush. It is like my ultimate favourite hairbrush. You are going to need a hairspray, and I am using this Redken hairspray. It is my ultimate favourite. You are also going to need an oil, and again I'm going to use this Redken Frizz Dismiss oil, which is going to be perfect for smoothing down the baby hair. You are also going to need a couple of clips. And of course you are going to need your tongue. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the underneath section. I am just going to section my hair up. And clip this up. I'm just going to divide my hair into two sections. So with these crimpers, you sort of are just going to be making your way down to the end of the hair to crimp it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to brush, make sure that I don't have any knots, don't have any tugs. And then you want to keep the section quite flat so that then when it comes in it crimps all the way down. So you want to get as close in to your root as possible. I would hold it for about 10 seconds until you move down to the next section. And then right down to the very end. There we go, we have our first section complete. This does take a little bit of time, so I would give yourself plenty of time to do this. Don't be thinking that this is a 5-minute job, curling your hair and then out the door. This is going to take a good 30 minutes to do. Here we go, looks good. So now I'm just going to take my next section. I'm just going to be feeling along the rows of my extensions and pulling some hair down and clipping the rest up. I'm taking my brush, making sure I don't have any tugs. Key to this is using small sections. So I'm just going to keep making my way around my hair section by section, roughly holding the crimper on my hair for between 5 and 10 seconds. I'm just moving it down my hair and yeah, just creating a crimpy look throughout my hair. So now I'm going to do this front section here. now I'm just going to finish off with the front sections, which is my front hair extensions and the fringe part. I would say at this part it's important to not take it too close to your root because it can make it stick up. So you obviously want it to be slightly sleeked down at the root and then just crimping out from the mid-lengths and ends. So now that I've finished curling all my hair, I'm just going to apply some of this oil to just smooth down any baby hairs at the top, and just if they've got any frizziness to just sort of take that away. I'm just going to rub it with my fingers all the way through my hair. So this is my final look. I hope you love it. I really love this style. It's such a low maintenance glam. It's perfect to create sort of a beachy look, especially when you're on holiday and humidity. I know we're in the UK lockdown, so it's not quite the same, but hopefully summer will be upon us very soon. Please subscribe to the channel and please give us a thumbs up.